So hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to the channel. This is Mr. SRB here, and today we're going to be talking about how you can disable your internet if you're using the LAN cable. So it's really easy to disable internet if you're using basically Wi-Fi and stuff, but let's say you're having just Ethernet cable or the LAN cable that just goes in a backside of a computer or a laptop. So let's say you're working in your computer and you need to turn off your internet, but you don't want to plug out the cable all the time. So here's how we do it.
So as you guys can see here, my internet is working in the bottom of the screen, okay? So first, we're going to be disabling it, and then we'll re-enable it again, okay? So what we're gonna need to do is just type in Control Panel, okay? Just go to Control Panel, and here, find this option called Network and Internet. And network and sharing settings, okay? Network and sharing center, whatever. So you'll probably be able to see here that in the internet, okay? That's basically a system here. Just don't mind that. It's my name, okay? And even my Wi-Fi name goes like that as well. Anyways, so this is how it should look like. So Ethernet, if you can see here, okay? The cable is connected, right?
Here, and just tap on it, and what you need to do is basically disable it, okay? Once you see it is disabled, and let me just go ahead and try to open a new window here. And whatever we're just trying to go for, it's not going to work, obviously. So, but let's say you want to turn it back on, okay? So how we do is, as you can see, that option is totally gone from here. But don't need to panic here. All you need to do, you need to see the left side corner, okay, where it says Change Adapter Settings, okay? Just tap on it, and as you guys can see here, the Ethernet is disabled. Right-click and basically enable it. And like here, okay, as you can see, it just came back on, on the proof.
So then it is working fine again. And let me just go ahead and open it up. And yeah, it is working. And all the sides are working fine, okay? So let me just type in something. Whatever. Okay, so that's, yeah, everything's working fine. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. It's a pretty simple way to do it. So a lot of people actually ask me about this too, so yeah, so I just make a video. So anyway, if you like this video, just to give it a like, and obviously subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this. Have a nice day. Take care.